Hi, this is Claire from AHA. Today I'm going to show you how you can use AHA ideas to review and prioritize feedback. As suggestions from customers, partners and internal teams start rolling into your ideas portal, you'll want to establish an effective workflow so you can review every single request and evaluate which ones to implement. Let's get started. The Ideas Overview page provides a comprehensive view for managing all the ideas in your workspace, no matter whether they were submitted directly through a portal, via an integration with your customer relationship management tool, or from within your application. Here you can organise and update existing ideas and even add new ones of your own. Let's take a closer look. The pie chart shows an overview of ideas by status. And the bar chart shows the number of idea submissions per day over the last 30 days. You can also see the total number of ideas and portals included in your workspace. Use the public comments section to track what customers are saying about specific ideas. A chronological list of comments makes it easy to see which ideas are driving conversation. On the right side of the Ideas Overview page, you can view all the portals included in your workspace. Quickly open each one and edit the settings as needed. You can also see a summary of new ideas, popular ideas, and top contributors. Open an individual idea record or view a list report for more details. Let's open up a recently submitted idea so you can see exactly how much rich information you can capture. You can create custom statuses and layouts in your idea records to match your idea management process. New ideas include any information that was captured when the idea was submitted, including a name, description, who created it, and the category. During your review process, you can add more details to help you evaluate which ideas your team should pursue. Assign each idea to a teammate so it's clear who's responsible for reviewing it. Add tags to quickly identify key information. Custom fields are a great way to capture information that's important to your team but not included in AHA ideas by default. Here, we added a business goal and financial projections to help us better understand the value. Then, use the AHA scorecard to determine how important an idea is based on impact and effort. You can customize the scorecard metrics, scale, and weighting. Tabs make it easy to organize and find important details within each record. Use the Votes tab to see the total votes, subscribers, and proxy votes. The Portals tab is where you can update the visibility of each idea, add an admin message, and see which portals you can view the idea in. Toggle to the Comments tab to view and add public or private comments to an idea. Commenting publicly on an idea is a great way to ask questions and gain clarity about what your community wants, while private comments are only visible to AHA users. You can also create to-dos to help your team effectively collaborate, so you can keep the best ideas moving forward. Once you've reviewed an idea, make a quick determination about whether an idea already exists, is likely to be implemented, or should be a future consideration, and update the status. Automatic notifications inform anyone who created, voted for, or commented on an idea of status updates. So even when you say no to an idea, you're still able to close the feedback loop. Transparency like this gives your community confidence that their ideas are actively being considered. Now it's time to analyse which ideas will have the most impact on your business and on your community. Use the priorities chart to see how ideas stack up against each other based on impact and effort. Add filters such as workspace, status, and category to focus on a specific set of ideas. Any ideas that you've already scored immediately appear on the chart. Adjusting the position of an idea automatically updates the AHA score, and vice versa. You can also drag and drop any unscored features onto the chart. And click on an idea to view and update the details. Seeing which ideas are easy wins, big bets, maybes, and losers makes it easier to decide where to focus your efforts. When you are ready, save your priorities chart and share it with others. You can share it as a live web page, or export it as a PNG image or PDF document. And that's it! See how efficient it is to review, organise and prioritise the inflow of customer ideas and requests? If you need help, use the question mark in your account. Get started today with a free 30-day trial of Aha Ideas, or request to join a live demo. Our customer success team has deep product expertise and responds incredibly fast. We want to help you capture every bright idea and achieve breakthrough innovation. So what are you waiting for?